Good morning, everybody. I hope that everybody's having a great day so far, a great Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm fully live on here, but just giving it a moment to catch up. But, Zico10, what are you doing, boy? But, yeah, good morning, everybody, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. It's about almost 9 here, but, looks like it's going to be it was supposed to be kind of rainy today, but it's looking like it's going to be a pretty nice day here in Indiana. Just getting going here. Got to go do some stuff this morning. Take care of some stuff, but it's looking like it's going to be a pretty nice day. Sorry I haven't been on Twitch for a while. Been a week or something like that, I think, but I've been pretty busy. We had a lot of jobs we were working on in Indianapolis, and it kept me really busy, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and chat with you all for a few moments, catch up with everybody for few moments before me and my wife go and do some stuff this morning. But just getting Zico's taken out over there. Everything's looking pretty nice out here, actually. We got some green grass. I need to do a little bit more weed eating and trim some stuff up again. But it's pretty nice out here. Here are all flowers everywhere. I love these flowers. They're so pretty. And our red ones that we had, I think I showed you guys in my live stream, but they freaking got blown over or eaten. Or I think they just don't last very long because they're tulips, I believe. They just didn't last very long, so they're gone. Really sucks because I really liked them, but really sucks. Zeke! What are you doing, Zico10? It's so green out here, though. I love it. It's so green. There's just green grass everywhere. Looks like it's going to be a nice day, actually. We were all looking at the radar last night, seeing what we could do this weekend, and it's supposed to be raining. I think it rained last night. Maybe into this morning. I'm not 100% sure, but Zeke! Hey! Come on, this way. But it's pretty nice out here right now. So I'm going to enjoy all this I can get. All this nice weather here. But, yeah, man, look, Zeke's running around. He's a happy boy. What are you doing, Zeke? Zico10! The grass looks pretty good, though. Got some tall weeds, a few things like that, but not bad. What happened to my chat? What? Oh, chat. What happened? Oh. It's a little windy out here too, though. So I guess it's a little windy. Hey, Zeke! Hey! Alright, here, dude. Where you going, you silly boy? He's going right looking for me. Oh, I thought he was. He is older, so I don't blame him for that. He is he 12 years old, I think? How do I do like the things here? Oh, I want to do this. No, stream setting. Alright, anyways. I used to have that thing below, but... Oh, okay, anyways. Oh, that's working. I don't know. Used to have this thing at the bottom that just says, oh, connected to chat. Connecting. Kind of weird. Anyways. Yeah, it's pretty green around here. I'm happy with how my lawn's kind of come up. Obviously needs to be trimmed up a few places, and mostly the dandelions do, but mostly the dandelions. Grass ain't that long, so fire pit burned pretty much everything out of it, but except for that shit. But need to get some more bird seed for a bird feeder. Kind of miss having those around, but some more of that today. But it's a pretty beautiful day, actually. A little windy here, but I ain't afraid of no wind. But yeah, and then like I said, I had a busy week at work. We were in Indianapolis pretty much all week, except for I did go. Was it Monday? It got rained out. One of the days I went to another job and did in Indianapolis, but it was a park or something like that. It was kind of crazy. It was gravel, so that was a different job. Did this week, and then did a bunch of work on a trail that we've been working on with the crew. Did asphalt, and then put some bricks out yesterday and got a bunch of bricks put in and cut in and all that sort of stuff. So it was a busy week for me, work. Then Sunday I'm taking off to go to do more classes, so got to do OSHA 10, get some more classes for the union. Kind of sucks in a way that I have to stop working to do it, but at the same time I kind of do enjoy it to learn more things and get knowledge under my belt, and all that sort of stuff is good. Get more knowledge, be able to do more things out in the field. Hope that you guys are having a great weekend. We didn't really do a whole lot last night. Got back from work. I don't remember exactly what time it was, about 5 or something like that. Then hung out with my wife's mom and all that, and played some games and stuff like that, and just hung out. Didn't do nothing too exciting. But I don't know what we're going to do today yet, so I might go live later or something like that and see what happens. I might have a fire or something like that. We're not necessarily sure, but man, look at these flowers. Aren't they so pretty? I love them. Glad I got them in my lawn. Awful green around here, except it ain't green around my fire pit, but it's alright. Oh, and this is starting to come back. Remember I was showing you guys I had left that stuff here? This is starting to come back. Getting some more stuff to come up from the ground now. That's good, because I'm excited for that. I didn't like it. It looked terrible. Terrible with all the patch and stuff like that, so it's starting to come back. Tree. One lonely tulip out there. One lonely tulip. Still there. And ours is gone. It's crazy. One lonely tulip. I need to just weed eat that, but yeah, it's crazy. Just one lonely tulip. My wife's seen it. She's like, wow, we got one lonely tulip all the way over there. Don't know how that happened. I don't know if it's from mowing, maybe it shot over there, but because I don't know last year if we had it or not, because we haven't been in Indiana a whole year. We haven't been in this place. Yeah, because when we got in here, we didn't see the tulips, so now it just came up. So I don't know if that tulip has always been there, or if maybe from me mowing or something like that, things got spread around. I don't know, but one lonely tulip over there, still alive. All of us over here are gone. It's kind of funny. Zeke! Hey! Zeke! Get over here! Come on! But yeah. Looks pretty good though. Then we got a weed in the middle of the lawn. What is that? In the gravel? I didn't know weeds grow in the gravel. Just kidding. I've seen it happen before. Shit grows up between gravel and stuff like that, but hey, I'm gonna, I know this was a short stream, I'm sorry, I'll stream later, a longer or something like that, but I've got some few things I need to do this morning and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Hope you guys enjoyed this short stream. And I'm sorry I got really busy and I didn't have time to come on here and hang out with you guys, play games. I almost did a few times, but like I said, this week's been really busy. But I want to chat with you guys this morning because it turned out to be a beautiful day. It's nice out here. But yeah. So I'll just talk to you guys all later. Have a great day, everyone.